How to report someone on Fortnite. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to report someone since you've been dealing with toxic player or unfair behavior in Fortnite, then here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open Fortnite on your device. Once you're inside the lobby screen of Fortnite, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top right corner and click on one of your friends from the friend list, and then make sure that you tapped on this two human icon at the top. Now select a friend you would like to report from the friend list, and then in the pop-up click on more options. Now click on report from the bottom. Select why you are trying to report someone, pick the region from the list, and then select whether you'd like to block the person as well. If you do, then make sure that the checkbox right next to do you want to block this person is checked. If not, leave it unchecked and click on accept. After you do that, your report will be confirmed and you'll be able to submit the report. Only report players when necessary. False reports can accept other players unfairly and won't help the community. So that's it. You've just learned how to report someone in Fortnite. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.